Hi there, today I will show you the full process of making square magnets, size 2 by 2 inches. This video covers only the basic steps, perfect if you're just starting. The first step is to prepare the photos for printing. I simply drag and drop them into a Photoshop template. Many people ask me if this can also be done in Canva. Yes, it can. But I personally prefer Photoshop because it gives better control over the quality. If you have many orders, there are also software solutions that prepare the print files automatically, so you don't need to place them manually. After we press print, we have a few minutes to prepare other file or shipping labels. Printing one sheet takes about 3.5 minutes. The next step is cutting the paper. I use a die cutting press. You may have also seen small hand cutters. Here is one as an example. The main difference is that with the press you can cut many at once. When everything is cut, we move on to the main part, assembling the magnets. A magnet has 5 elements: the metal base, the photo print, the mylar, the plastic bag, and the self-adhesive magnet. We start with the metal base, then place to image, check it carefully, add the mylar, and turn the press handle to step 1. Press down carefully and with control. In position 2, we add the plastic bag. Turn it around and press again. Rotate and we're almost done. The last step is to stick the magnet. There is no strict rule if you add the plastic bag before or after pressing. Do it in the way that is more comfortable for you. The process itself is not difficult, but you must pay attention so that nothing gets between the image and the mylar. Often the mylars are a bit dirty. Look at this pile. I prefer throw them away instead of risking a damaged magnet and waste material. If you make more magnets, you will notice that the workspace will not stay very tidy. A little mess is normal and part of the process. And that is the whole basic process of making 2 by 2 inch square magnets. I hope this video was useful and give you a good foundation. In the next videos, I will share more details and practical tips. Thank you for watching.